here I have Oppo F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. And that's how you can enable it. You can also change some of its settings, like you can change the author name, watermark information, size, and else. So yeah, but that's how you can easily enable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.